Roses, have you ever looked at someone and wondered, how are they so freaking pretty? Like their lips are so soft, their hair is super fluffy, and their skin is glowing like glass. Then you rush online searching for that glow secret, only to see people recommending products that cost hundreds of dollars. Expensive serums, luxury skincare, face gadgets you never knew existed, collagen powders, and different beauty supplements. But what if I told you that some of the biggest glow-up secrets actually cost nothing? Like your face knows how to make collagen, your skin knows how to repair itself, and sometimes the glow you're looking for is hiding in your kitchen. So today, I'm going to show you how to unlock your natural beauty without stressing your mental health. Now grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get started. Tip 1. Fix your morning face. Now, the first 10 minutes after waking up decides how your face looks for the entire day. Instead of doom scrolling, get up and wash your face with cold water. Cold water helps shrink your pores naturally and reduce puffiness, making you look more snatched and awake. And don't forget to use your soap. We want to get all the oils and dirt from last night out. Next, gently massage your face using your clean fingertips. Start at your chin and glide toward your ears. Go from the sides of your nose toward your cheeks. Then circle around your eyes. Now finish by sweeping everything down the sides of your neck. Only use light pressure. Think of it like moving water around your face. This facial massage will help improve circulation, leaving you looking snatched all day. Tip 2. Skin Brightening Matcha Mask. Now, this mask has been trending lately for the right reasons, and here's why you need it too. Matcha fights acne bacteria and calms down angry breakouts, while yogurt gently melts away dead skin and unclogs your pores, making this combo the perfect recipe for a clear skin. First, add 1 tablespoon of matcha in a bowl, then 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt, and mix thoroughly. Then apply it all over your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off. You can use this face mask 4 times a week for faster results. If you don't have matcha, swap it with green tea instead. And remember, use plain unsweetened yogurt, because sugar can cause more breakouts, and we don't want that. Tip 3. The Lip Glow Up. So you know how your lips are always dry and cracked? That's because you forget lip care exists. Just like how you take care of your skin, your lips should be no different. Now, every morning, gently massage your lips for about 30 seconds using a clean, damp washcloth or a soft toothbrush with very light pressure. This way you'll scrub off the dead skin cell, so the fresh one can show. After that, apply your lip balm to help lock in moisture. And please, no matter what you do, don't lick your lips. I know it feels like you're moisturizing them, but your saliva is actually doing the opposite. It evaporates very fast and leaves your lips even drier and darker afterward. So always apply your lip balm and forget your lips exist. Tip 4. Drink your orange peels. Roses, the next time you finish eating an orange, don't throw away the peel. Because here's the truth. Orange peels have more vitamin C than the ones you eat. So if you want that clear skin glow, you need to start drinking it. First, get your orange peels, wash them, then place it in a kettle and leave to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it cools slightly, add a few cloves if you want before drinking it. Make this a few times a week, instead of reaching for sugary soda drinks. Tip 5. Eat the K-beauty salad. You know how those K-drama and K-pop stars glow effortlessly? Well, it all comes down to 3 things: skincare, body care, and diet. Korean foods are super healthy because of their many side dishes. So if you want to feed your skin instead of just treating it, all you need is avocado, cucumber, and carrots. Thinly slice the carrots and cucumbers, put it in a bowl, add diced avocado, a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper, then mix well. Carrots are super rich with vitamin A, and vitamin A produces keratin, which is the protein that builds healthy skin, hair, and nails. Tip 6. The Real Hair Growth Secret. If you've been trying every homemade recipe out there, but your hair still feels stuck, the problem might not be your hair, but your scalp. If your scalp is constantly covered in sweat and oil or product buildup, a healthy longer hair can be impossible to get. So once a week, before washing your hair, try exfoliating your scalp first. Mix coffee, sugar, baking soda, and shampoo in a bowl. Then gently scrub your scalp with it. Also, spend 3 to 5 minutes daily massaging your scalp with your fingertips. Move in small circles across your entire scalp. It helps increase blood flow to the scalp and loosen buildup. Tip 7. The jawline glow up. Now, if you want to make your jawline sharp and noticeable, you need to strengthen the muscles under your chin. And for that to happen, you need to be committed to these exercises. First, grab your towel with both hands, raise it above your head, and move it left and right continuously for 30 seconds. Next, swing your arm around both sides for another 30 seconds. Good posture equals a sharp jawline. Now, with your tongue out, lift your face up and down towards the ceiling. Next, move your tongue side to side, without moving your face. And lastly, massage from your jawline down to your neck with your knuckles. These movements will help encourage better head posture and make your jawline sharper over time. Tip 8. Control your hands. Roses, pay close attention to how many times you touch your face today. Whether you're resting your chin or picking tiny bumps. Every time you touch your face, you're transferring bacteria from your hands to your skin. So, here's a challenge. For the next 7 days, become aware every time your hand reaches for your face. You'll be surprised how often it happens. And breaking that habit can make a real difference in your skin. Now here's something I want you to remember. A 10-minute routine you do every day for 3 months will always beat a 1-hour routine that you do once a week. Your glow up isn't about becoming someone else. It's about taking care of the face you already have until it looks healthy, bright, and confident. So starting tonight, pick just 3 tips from this video and actually stick with them for the next 2 weeks. And I promise you'll begin to notice the difference. Not because of some magic product, but because you never gave up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become part of our beautiful Roses family. And I'll see you in the next video.